Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses. Besides being a great cardiovascular workout, Surya Namaskar is also known to have an immensely positive impact on the body and mind. It is an ancient technique of paying respect to the sun. Constituting of 12 different postures, it is a form of expressing gratitude to this source of all life on earth. Surya Namaskar is an intensive physical exercise that works on every part of the body, helping to calm our mind, improving concentration, and building endurance. It reduces the feeling of anxiety and restlessness. Regular practice of Surya Namaskar also gives strength and vitality to the body. It also aids in muscle growth and making the body more flexible. In the esoteric tradition of Hatha Yoga, Chakrasana creates a bridge between 6 chakras. Besides helping the mind, body, and breath, the wheel posture stimulates the energy flow in the entire body. Chakrasana is an intense backward bend which creates necessary space in the spine to keep young and healthy. Just like a wheel sets the momentum for the car, this asana sets the momentum for the circulatory system, nervous system, and endocrine system. The cobra pose, pronounced as Bhujangasana, stretches muscles in the shoulders, decreases stiffness of the lower back, and increases the flexibility. Dhanurasana is an excellent back-bending yoga pose for increasing and retaining spinal strength and flexibility. It also strengthens the leg muscles and relieves stiff shoulders. This balancing posture is pronounced as Vrikshasana as it replicates the graceful, steady stance of a tree and improves stability in the legs. Unlike most yoga poses, the tree pose requires keeping our eyes open in order to maintain body balance. Parsva Urdhva Hastasana helps boost energy in the body and is considered a warm-up yoga pose to prepare the body for more intense yoga flow. Siddhasana is a seated yoga posture that is traditionally used for long period of meditation and breathing exercises that is called pranayama. It is superior to Padmasana for the purpose of dhyana. Virabhadrasana is one of the most strenuous standing yoga pose that requires a lot of strength, flexibility and balance. It strengthens and energizes the whole body and improves concentration. Utthita Trikonasana is a standing yoga pose that tones the legs, reduces stress and increases stability. Ustrasana improves spinal flexibility, strengthens the shoulder and back muscles, reduces fat on thighs and improves the posture. The lotus posture or Padmasana is an ancient asana in yoga, predating Hatha Yoga and is widely used for meditation in Hindu, Tantra, Jain and Buddhist traditions. Hanumanasana stretch and strengthen the muscles in the thighs and hamstrings. Over time, this pose also helps the hips become more flexible. Parsva Konasana tones the ankles, knees and thighs, gives a good stretch to the back and improves digestion. Bakasana builds arm, shoulder and abdominal strength. It keeps the abdomen firm and releases the back muscles. Baddha Konasana is popularly known as the butterfly pose because of the movement of the legs during the posture, giving the appearance of a butterfly flapping its wings. It not only improves the blood circulation and stretches the inner thighs and knees, but also helps relieve mild depression, anxiety, and fatigue. Parvatasana, or the mountain pose, tones the spinal nerves. It increases the blood flow to the brain and to the spinal region. Garuda is known as the king of the birds. Garudasana is a standing and balancing pose that works in strengthening the legs.
Greetings to one and all. Samatvam Yoga Uchyate. Yoga is a state of equilibrium and equanimity. It brings about a balance in the mind, body, and intellect. It is more than just our morning practices. Yoga is doing our day-to-day activities with diligence and complete awareness. It makes us better individuals in thought, action, knowledge, and devotion. We, the students of NPS Indiranagar, believe that yoga promises to build resilience, devotion, balance, and harmony in our lives. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all a happy yoga practice.